Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the best live wallpaper of the day, which has got the live FPS meter built in. Yes man, this is my first time saying about the live wallpaper which has got built-in FPS meter. So right now I'll try to discuss about where you can actually download and what are the features this application did include along with. So that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. And recently I started to do this kind of best live wallpapers of the day as well as a series, so make sure to check out the playlist. So all my live wallpapers what I'm trying to use in all the smartphones, there is separate playlist which I did create, friends, best live wallpapers of the day. Try to check the playlist and there you'll be able to find all the wallpapers which I've used in my devices. As you can see, so many wallpapers which I used before you can actually find there, so make sure to check out the playlist as well. And now let's explore what is this live wallpaper which is called the Nexus live wallpaper. So if you remember, the Nexus phones previously they used to have this kind of live wallpaper built in, and right now you can actually download this same live wallpaper from the Play Store as well. Let me need to open the Play Store and show you what is the application name, which is called the Nexus revamped application name, as you can see. So this is a pretty old live wallpaper. Basically I think last updated on the 2014, as you can see, August 2014. But still the application works pretty smooth without any kind of issues. I'll try to explain you all the details as well. So once you click on, it will take you to this menu where you can actually click on the settings. So first you need to click on the settings, friends. So once you click on settings, you'll get a lot of other options as well in this settings application. So where you can actually use the preset values to select different designs. So you want green color grid, or maybe blue color or red color, and Nexus revamped, or maybe Nexus original colors. So in this way you'll be able to have the different settings as well. And the background also you can actually choose single color or image you can actually choose, that's also possible. And background tint also possible, and you can actually choose different colors as well as a background, so which also applies, and which looks something like this if you try to change the colors of the background. As you can see, friends, whenever you touch the screen you will be able to get this kind of Nexus type of live wallpaper feeling as well. As you can see, in this way you'll be able to get the live wallpaper feeling. And not only that, we do have the particles where you can actually select single particles which is in the blue color or green color. Multicolor you can actually select different colors. So single color, let me try to select maybe blue color. Let's see what happens with the blue color. So you can actually see with the single color we are getting, if you try to select the multicolor you'll be getting them different colors. So same thing which is available before option, same option is available. Particle appearance, how much you want, saturation you want, how you want tail glow, saturation, tail length you want, glow size you want. So there's a lot of customization option which you can actually change your friends, so which looks really good using this kind of application. And we do have the option of the particle scaling as well, so match the scaling speeds and adds depth. So there's a lot of customization which you can actually have in this mode. You can increase the speed as well of the particles, that's also option is available at this moment. And settings which are related to the physics and the direction of the particles, which direction you want, all direction or maybe only the horizontal direction, you can actually select in this way as well, only in one direction. So there's so much customization you can actually do, friends. That's the reason I was able to explain all this details. So max speed, minimum speed you can actually set. So you can actually do single speed. As you can see, these are the full speed goes. Wow, as you can see, friends, clearly. As I said, there's a lot of in-depth customization you can actually do for each and everything. Touch reaction, how you want, and as you can see. So that, friends, is a quick live wallpaper of the day, best live wallpaper of the day, which is called the Nexus revamped. And make sure to check out in the Play Store, which is available to download on this name, which is called the Nexus revamped. And don't forget to follow the playlist, because this playlist will give the clear idea, friends, best live wallpapers of the day playlist. And this is today's best live wallpaper, which is Nexus revamped. And finally, I forgot to mention about the FPS meter, how you can actually add. Go to the performance section and there you can actually add the performance, how much FPS you want to have. Low FPS, or you can actually go up to 80 FPS as well using this live wallpaper, and display the FPS you can actually choose. And maximum particles also you can actually select how many particles you wanted as well. These are the few things which you can actually adjust, friends, so which looks really good legal in the performance segment as well. As you can see, now right now you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter similarly like this. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And this is the 80 FPS live wallpaper, so which looks very cool, so very smooth as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off.